Dear student, welcome to online class again. Today I am going to take another class for class 8 English Unit 6 Lesson 1. Dear student, before going to start our class, you have to take your particular exercise such as textbook, pen and khata. Please take your particular things. I hope you have taken these particular things. Now I am going to start our class. Dear student, you can see on the screen there is a picture. What can you see in the picture? It may be a airport in Bangladesh. You also see Hazrat Shahjalal International Airport, Dhaka. Dear students, now I want to show the another slide. Dear students, what can you see in the picture? I think you have seen some pictures. There are 5 pictures in this slide. First of all, this is airport, and also this is a counter, and there are some passengers, they were waiting or they were boarding in a plane, or someone are waiting um, for the plane. And you can see there is a picture. The picture is also in a Biman seats. There, and dear student, you can see the another picture, and this is the Biman. This Biman is flying in the sky. Dear students, now I want to show the another slide. Dear learners, you can see some sentences in front of you. First of all, you have to read your text in section A and say if the following statements are true or false. Thus, there are some sentences. Those are true or false. If the sentence is true, you have to write on your khata true. If the sentence or statement is false, you have to write false. Then you have to write correct answer about the sentence. Dear student, before going to do the task, I want to discuss some vocabulary. Dear learners, you can see there are some vocabulary in the box. First of all, I want to discuss in front of you board. What is the meaning of board? What is the meaning of board? Do you know? I think you know, but I want to discuss with you. Board meaning to get on a ship, plane, train, bus, etc. That means কোনো বাসে, কোনো জাহাজে, কোনো ট্রেনে ওঠা, আর মানে ওঠাকেই এখানে আমরা বোর্ড হিসাবে চিহ্নিত করেছি বা জানি। নেক্সট, the passenger are boarding on the plane. যাত্রীরা প্লেনে উঠিতেছে। Dear students, I want to show the another vocabulary. Stamp. What do you know about stamp? What is the meaning of stamp? Do you know? I think you know, but I want to discuss. Stamp meaning to put down, seal or official mark. Immigration officer stamped my passport. Stamped, that means to put down, seal or official mark. যে কোনো ধরনের অফিসিয়াল চিহ্ন বা সংকেত, এইটাকে আমরা স্ট্যাম্প হিসাবে জানি। ইমিগ্রেশন অফিসার কি করছেন? তাদের পাসপোর্টে এখানে সিল মারছেন। Now, next vocabulary, lounge. A lounge meaning a room for waiting in airport, hotel, office. অর্থাৎ কোনো এয়ারপোর্টে, বিমানবন্দরে, অর্থাৎ হোটেলে অথবা অফিসে অপেক্ষারত যে রুমটা, এটাকে আমরা জানি লাউঞ্জ। The lounge of the Hazrat Shahjalal International Airport is very beautiful. এখানে তুমি দেখতে পাচ্ছ হযরত শাহজালাল ইন্টারন্যাশনাল এয়ারপোর্টের সেই লাউঞ্জ কক্ষটা, বিশ্রাম কক্ষটা, যেখানে যাত্রীরা ভ্রমণের পূর্বে অপেক্ষমানরত থাকে, সেখানটাকে বোঝায়। নাও নেক্সট, ইমিগ্রেশন। Travelers of foreign countries collect form from the immigration desk. যারা বিমানে ভ্রমণ করতে চান, যেসব যাত্রীগণ, তারা অবশ্যই ইমিগ্রেশন অফিসে গিয়ে তাদের ফর্ম কালেকশন করেন এবং এখানে জমা দেন। এটাই হচ্ছে ইমিগ্রেশন অফিস। আমরা মিনিংটা দেখি। টু প্রসেস কমপ্লিটেড অ্যান এয়ারপোর্ট অর কান্ট্রিজ border where government officials check the documents of people entering or leaving that country. কোনো দেশের গমন বা কোনো দেশ থেকে বহিরাগমন এর ক্ষেত্রে অফিসিয়াল যে কার্যক্রমটা গভর্নমেন্ট কর্তৃক পরিচালিত হয়, উক্ত স্থানকে ইমিগ্রেশন বলা হয়ে থাকে। Dear learners, now I came back before slide where we have seen some true or false. Now first of all, you have to read out the passage, then you have to try the true or false. Dear learners, you can see some true or false. Now open your book, Unit 6, Lesson 1. You have to read section A. After that, you have to answer the following true or false. Now let's start. Dear learners, Jara is Mita's cousin. Traveling to Thailand is Mita's second visit to a foreign country. Mita and her relatives are now at the airport. They have got forms from the immigration. They have already filled the form. Dear learners, I think you have completed. Now I want to show the correct answer. You can see the correct answer. Jara is Mita's cousin's true. Traveling to Thailand is Mita's second visit to a foreign country. False. What is the correct statement? Now see the correct statement. Traveling to Thailand is Mita's first visit to a foreign country. I think you have got it, dear students. Now Mita and her relatives are now at the airport. Mita এবং তার আত্মীয়রা এখন এয়ারপোর্টে। True. They have got forms from the immigration. True. They have already filled the forms. False. The correct statement is they have started filling in the forms. Now, dear student, I want to show the another slide. Dear student, you can see there is some fill in the gaps, and there have some vocabularies or verb. You have to use this verb in a blank with appropriate form. Now, dear student, you have to do it within 2 minutes. I read out the passage for your better understanding. Milat lives with his parents in the USA. He is a student and is very much curious about his motherland. His parents maintain a good tie with his aunt and uncle living in Bangladesh. Last week, he and his parents dashed to visit her aunt and uncle. Both the families have visited many places and dash a lot. They already dash a number of places in Sylhet, Khulna, and Rajshahi. This time, they dash to visit new places where they dash. Before they dash to visit some places in Chittagong division. Tomorrow, they are dash to Rangamati by bus. Milat is very happy and excited. Dear student, there are some verbs. Go came, travel, enjoy, want, decide, visit. Now try to do the answer. Dear student, I want to show the correct answer. Perhaps you have done well. Now see the correct answer. Dear students, last week he and his parents came to visit her aunt and uncle, and then both of families have visited many places and have enjoyed a lot, and another want and also have not gone. Tomorrow they are traveling to Rangamati. Dear student, I think you have got it. Now I want to show the another slide. Dear student, you can see there are some multiple choice questions. Now Toma and Roma suddenly have meet a airport, listen to their conversation and click conversation, and then you have to correct answer. Dear students, now listen the conversation.
What about you? My destination is Delhi. I'm going on a study tour. Is it? That's so exciting. You are going with your friends. Yes, it's exciting. For the first time, I'm heading to Australia. I am excited too. This is also my first experience to go outside the country and first year journey. In this flight, Bangladesh Viman at 4:25 p.m. And you? It's pretty away at 4:15 p.m. It will land at Rajiv Gandhi International Airport at 6:45 p.m. Sounds good. Have a safe journey, my friend. Thanks, and same to you. Bye. Keep in touch, please. Of course. Bye, Toma. Hope to see you soon.
Dear student, I want to listen their conversation again for your good understanding. Now listen again.
Hi, Ruma. You are here. How are you? Hello, Toma. I'm fine. Surprising. You are here. I can't believe my eyes. That's true. It's a long time we met last. So, where is your destination? Going to Colombo for a short visit with my parents. What about you? My destination is Delhi. I'm going on a study tour. Is it? That's so exciting. You are going with your friend. Yes, it's exciting. For the first time, I'm heading to Australia. I am excited too. This is also my first experience to go outside the country and first year journey. In this flight, Bangladesh Viman at 4:25 p.m. And you? It's pretty away at 4:15 p.m. It will land at Rajiv Gandhi International Airport at 6:45 p.m. Sounds good. Have a safe journey, my friend. Thanks, and same to you. Bye. Keep in touch, please. Of course. Bye, Toma. Hope to see you soon.
Okay, dear students, I think you have listened the conversation. Now you have to answer the following questions. Question number 1, when did Toma and Roma meet at the Hazrat Shahjalal International Airport? January 25, 2014, February 25, 2014, June 25, 2014, and July 25, 2014. In this way, you have to choose one correct answer for the question number 1. In this way, you have to solve the 5 multiple choice questions. Now, dear student, I want to show the correct answer. Dear student, follow the correct answer. When did Toma and Roma meet at the Shahjalal International Airport, Dhaka, January 25, 2014? Question number 2, who are going with Toma? Thomas' parents. Answer is Thomas' parents. And another question number 3, who is going to Colombo? The answer is Toma. Thomas' flight will dash at 4:25 p.m. Answer is takeoff. And another question number 5, Roma will arrive at Rajiv Gandhi International Airport at 6:45 p.m. The answer is 6:45 p.m. Now, dear student, I want to show the another slide.
Ask and answer the following questions with your friend.
You can see some questions here. First of all, you have to discuss your partner or friends about the question. Then you have to write the correct answer about the question. Dear students, first of all, you have to discuss your discuss your partner about the question. Then you will write down the answer on your notebook. Now, I want to read out the question again for your good understanding.
Have you recently visited any new place? Where did you go? When did you go there? Who did you go with? How did you travel? What did you see during your traveling? What is your feeling about the journey? Is there anything special about this visit?
Dear student, you have to do it. And I will give you some homework. Please see the homework.
Now, write a short paragraph on your friend's travel.
Dear student, you have to write a paragraph on your friend's travel. অর্থাৎ তোমার বন্ধুর ভ্রমণ সম্পর্কে তুমি এই কোশ্চেনগুলো ব্যবহার করে একটা প্যারাগ্রাফ লিখবে। I am hoping that you will do well. Dear student, I have come to the end of my class. Now I want to now I have finished. I want to finish my class today. I will take the another class next time. Thank you very much for watching my class.